Welcome, brave soul, to the fog-shrouded corridors of the E-mini S&P 500 TPO Haunted Manor. Lantern in hand, let's uncover spectral levels, ghostly contexts, and spirit-safe trade ideas before you get spooked out of your gains. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6,457, resembles the attic window where the lady in white was last seen. If price floats above, the spirits are restless and heading higher. Value area low, VAL, 6,425, the heavy oak door to the cellar. If it swings open to the downside, prepare for a descent into the dark. Point of control, POC, 6442, the grand fireplace in the ballroom where the ghostly guests have spent most of their time today. Support zone, 6,425 to 6,430, protected by the iron gargoyles at the gate. They are reluctant to let anyone pass through to the lower grounds. Resistance zone, 6,457 to 6,465, an ethereal barrier that feels as cold as a phantom's touch. Price needs significant spirit to break through. Single prints, escape paths, lower, 6,353 to 6,362, a hidden trapdoor in the library that leads to a sudden drop in the floorboards. Upper, 6,467 to 6,470, a narrow secret passage behind the portrait that leads straight to the widow's walk. Market context. The halls of the SP 500 are filled with whispering winds today as the price drifts between the attic and the cellar. The atmosphere is thick with indecision, though the massive surge in buying delta suggests a few poltergeists are throwing furniture around in the bull's favor. We are currently haunting the upper levels, but the range remains as wide and unpredictable as a shifting staircase. 3-day seance in the manor. Day 3, March 29th. PO C6374, high 6388, low 6363. The spirits were quiet, confined to the lower chambers of the east wing. Day 2, March 30th. POC 6434, high 6482, low 6360. A sudden manifestation sent price rattling through the chandeliers to the higher floors. Day 1, March 31st. POC 6442, high 6,470, low 6,353. The haunting intensified as value established itself firmly in the upper ballroom. Value has climbed the grand staircase over the last 3 sessions. If the market accepts the view from the attic window above VAH, the bull run continues. Should it trip over the cellar door at VAL, expect a return to the lower dungeons. Volume analysis, cumulative, volume delta, CVD, breakdown. Session open, CVD negative 4,251 contracts. The morning began with a chilling draft of selling pressure from the void. Intraday peak, buying, CVD climbed to 26,819. A powerful phantom buyer possessed the tape and drove numbers into the light. Current CVD, 26,612. Net plus 30,863 from open, meaning the benevolent spirits have successfully exorcised the bears for now. Intraday low, CVD low, negative 7,687, the moment when the shadows were darkest before the light returned. Interpretation. Aggressive buy-side delta is the primary evidence of a bullish possession. Any dip is being snatched up by the invisible hands of the manor. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone near VAL, 6,425 to 6,430. Stop loss below the single print floor at approximately 6,421. 4 ticks beneath VAL, or use average true range, ATR, approximately 14 points below entry. Profit target, Initial target at POC, 6,442. Major target at VAH, 6,457. Short trades. Entry zone, on rejection of VAH, 6,457 to 6,465, or breakdown through VAL. Stop loss, above VAH, single print ceiling at approximately 6,470, or ATR, above entry. Profit target, POC for first partial, then VAL. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended level after first target. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, acceptance above, VAH. The ghosts break through the attic roof at 6,457 and float towards the moon. Setup. Enter long above 6,457 with stop at 6,442 POC. Target 6,470 plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B, rejection at VAH. The spirits are repelled by the wards at 6,457 to 6,465 and fall back to the ballroom. Setup. Short on first failure off VAH. Stop above 6,465. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C, failure at VAL. The seller door at 6,425 gives way and price tumbles into the dark. Setup. Short a break below 6,425. Stop above 6,430. Recent swing high. Target 6,360 single print area. Scenario D, value bounce. The iron gates at 6,425 hold firm, and the bulls find safe harbor in the entryway. Setup. Long at 6,425. Stop at 6,411. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.